Let's dive deeper into the science of procrastination in this video. Let's start with the brain. There are two key players in your brain. One is the prefrontal cortex, which is your rational thinking and decision making brain, and the other one is the amygdala, your emotional fear driven brain. Whenever you feel overwhelmed by any task, your amygdala hijacks the brain and then it starts releasing stress hormones in your body. That's why you feel tension, tiredness, or avoidance. Your brain is trying to escape danger. That is what's called amygdala hijack, which takes you into the safety. Now let's go deeper. Procrastination is often rooted in your childhood. You are only lovable if you are successful. You are not allowed to make mistakes. If you can't do it perfectly, don't do it. These are some of the sentences which you might have heard in your childhood if you are procrastinating in your adult life. These beliefs act as triggers, and so whenever you feel like rejection or failure, your subconscious delays the task to delay the pain. How can you rewire your brain so that you don't procrastinate? As I have told in my earlier videos also, that the first step is awareness. Ask yourself, what worst can happen if I do this task? Step 2, breathe. You can use any technique. Let's do this together. Breathe 4, 7, 8. That is, when you inhale, count for 4, then hold it for 7 and exhale for 8. For example, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do this breathing technique. And the third step is reframe the task. Instead of saying, I have to do this, say, I choose to do this. The simple reframe can give a different signal to your brain, and you will be able to complete the task that you are avoiding for long. Step 4, break the task into smaller chunks so that you don't feel overwhelmed for completing the task. You can complete task in a small task at a time, then move on to the next part, then next part, and next. And celebrate after finishing every task. Celebrate. It can be very small thing. If you complete a task, just get up from your place and move around, or have a sip of water. Whatever you feel like, just change your physical state so that you can sit again and complete the next part of that task. And the last step is, fifth step is, visualize your success. Visualize with your closed eyes as if you have already achieved it, and let the emotions come out. What emotions you are going to have when you achieve that success. So visualize success every day as if you have already achieved. Procrastination is not your enemy, it's a signal. And when you recognize, when you are aware of it, you reclaim your power. If this resonated with you, join my free Mind Body webinar, which happens every Sunday, where I go deeper into this and teach you how to reset your mind, body. Comment below what fear hides. Subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss the next week's video, which is how your childhood is controlling your adult life. Thank you for watching. See you next week.